I'll be starting off today's video with hula hoops. I'm also going to be using wood for this project, and this is the wood that I'll be using, and I'm going to cut it into 5 pieces. Now I'm going to be attaching the wood pieces to the hoops. When I was done adding the wood on this hoop, I added the second hoop. This is a Dollar Tree wood piece that I picked up, and I'll be using 5 of these for this project. This is going to be attached to the wood that I had already attached to the hula hoops. Now I'm going to take this out and spray paint it silver, using a silver spray paint. The extra wood piece that I have, I'm going to be cutting out a circular shape from a table mat. Because I have 5 boards that I'm working with, I'm going to be using 5 table mats for this project. And I'm going to leave the link for the mats and every other item that I'll be using for this project down in the description box below.
If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos.
Now that I have my shapes, I'm going to be attaching them to the wooden boards using a strong adhesive and a hot glue gun. You will notice that I am using the strong adhesive in the middle, and the hot glue gun would be for the outer part, so it would be easy for this to stay attached while the strong adhesive dries properly in the middle. When I was done with this, I covered up the screw heads that are showing with mirror tiles. The mirror tiles come like this, and I will leave a link for this down in the description box below. I'm going to just cut the parts that I need. That's going to cover up the screw head. I don't like the fact that the vertical wood pieces are really obvious, so I would like to cover that with Dollar Tree splatter screen. I'm going to remove these parts here and then use hot glue to make my design on a parchment paper. And that design is what I'm going to use to decorate the top of the screen. They sell parchment papers at the Dollar Tree, but if you don't have access to a Dollar Tree where you are, you can also get parchment papers online. I will leave a link for that down in the description box below as well. This is the design that I want. Now I'm going to trace it with hot glue. When I was done, I took it out and I spray painted it silver. I'll be using glue to attach this to the screen. This is a design that I used for a lighting project a while back, and I loved this design so much, so I wanted to do it again for a different project. I made 5 of this, and these are going to be attached to the vertical wood pieces with a strong adhesive and hot glue. I've had this glue gun for a while now and I love it so much. It's rechargeable and you won't have to worry about using the cord or pulling a cord. You can charge it and it would last up to, say, 45 minutes before you charge it again. But sometimes it could take even up to an hour. So yeah, I will leave a link for this down in the description box below because this has really been a game changer for me. And I know you guys are gonna love it the way I do. Now I made this table and used a regular wall mirror for the top. To see the designs inside that's leaning on the vertical wood, you can have glass on top of it. I like the way it looks, but I still feel something's wrong with it. It could be because there's a lot of space in between them. So what I did was to remove and adjust what I have here. And as you can see, I have a wide space for one more. I added the extra piece there, and this is what it looks like. After looking at this, I decided to go ahead and add mirrors to the middle. So these are mirrors that I'm going to be attaching to the middle. And they're not too large, so they fit right in the middle. Now I kind of like the fact that the mirrors here are reflecting and also complementing what's at the top. So either with the glass or with the wall mirror that I also used at the top, it still goes so well with the mirrors. Since I started this project, I have 3 different looks for this design. And I put 3 of them here so you guys can see what they all look like side by side. The first one is with the boards close together. In the middle is the one with the mirrors. And besides it is the one that had the design with the boards far apart from one another. I would like to know in the comments section which of these 3 is your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.